doing?
You hook one up to your TV set. And so I knew I wanted one, but like I couldn't afford it. You know,
What did they run on?
I hadn't loaded enough loans yet to have money to buy one. What did they run on, like software?
What are you
Oh, so
doing?
Microsoft actually they had a very simple app.
How you doing, honey?
Jack, I'm so hot, I'm burning up.
Turn on some air.
Did he hit us? God. Oh, go. Why are you pulling over? Oh my God. What? How the fuck did that just happen?
Alright, you're done. You can stop. You can stop. Thank you. I'm just saying, you're good. We understand what we did, and you don't need to record anymore. Thank you.
Alright, I just want to make sure you guys aren't goofy.
Yeah, we understand what happened. No, I'm just saying.
Worry about what you did. Don't
Yeah,
worry about what you did.
I'm saying we're talking
That
about
man who swore you
that's what
destroyed.
I'm trying to do. You're not
Okay.
with it. Get the out of here.
I'm here. I belong here.
Okay.
Right there, okay?
Okay. That's fine.
You're encroaching on me, okay? You just drove through the front of a store. Are you drunk?
We understand.
Are you drunk?
We understand what happened.
Hang on, let me start recording. Go ahead.
No, I'm
Tell me your
saying.
story.